10th Standard Social Science 1 mark questions. History Unit 3, The Impact of British Rule in India. Who introduced the administration of civil services? Lord Cornwallis. Who started Fort William College in Calcutta? Lord Cornwallis. Why did Lord Cornwallis start Fort William College in Calcutta? For the benefit of people aspiring to join civil services. Who argued all the natives of Hindustan are completely corrupt? Lord Cornwallis. Why only lower grade jobs were given to Indians during the British rule? Because, according to them, all the natives of Hindustan are completely corrupt. Who handed over the Diwani rights to the British? Shah Alam II. Name the two courts started by Warren Hastings. Diwani Adalat and Fauzdari Adalat. What is Diwani Adalat? Civil court. What is Fauzdari Adalat? Criminal court. Under whose control were the civil courts? The civil courts were under the control of Qazis. Who implemented the efficient police system in India for the first time? Lord Cornwallis. Who created the new post of Superintendent of Police (RSP)? Lord Cornwallis. The entire police system was brought under the control of the British officers. Why? The severe drought of 1770 led to the weak law and order situation. What was the highest post available to Indians? Subedar. Why was the military system redesigned during the British rule? The British government accepted the recommendations of Peel Commission in 1857. Based on these recommendations, the military system was redesigned. Who started permanent zamindar system? Lord Cornwallis. What is permanent zamindar system? Lord Cornwallis implemented a new land tax policy in Bengal in order to generate steady revenue annually. This was called permanent zamindari system. Who said the Indian farmers were born in debt, lived in debt, and died in debt due to the land tax policies of the British? Charles Metcalfe. What does Mahal mean? Mahal means taluk. Who implemented Mahalwari system? R. M. Bird and James Thomson. Who implemented the Rayatwari system in Baramahal region? Alexander Reed. Who implemented the Rayatwari system in Madras and Mysore region? Thomas Munro. Who facilitated the expansion of the modern education in India? Warren Hastings. Who started Calcutta Madrasa? Warren Hastings. Who started Sanskrit College in Banaras? Jonathan Duncan. Who pressed for the universalization of British education in India? Charles Grant. Who was appointed as the member of Governor General's Executive Committee? Macaulay. Who was appointed as the chairperson of the Committee on Education? Macaulay. What was the aim of Macaulay policy? The aim of Macaulay policy was creation of a new class of Indians who are Indian by body but British in intelligence, opinion and state. Who established universities in Calcutta, Bombay and Madras as per the suggestions of Charles Wood's Commission? Lord Dalhousie. Whose thought brought fresh thinking in the mind of educated youth of India? J.S. Mill, Rousseau and Montesquieu. Who termed the tax payment received by the British government from the East India Company as criminal tax? Edmund Burke. As per which act the Governor of Bengal became the Governor General of all the three presidencies? Regulating Act of 1773. According to which act Supreme Court of Judicature was established in Calcutta? Regulating Act of 1773. Why was Pitt's India Act implemented? In order to rectify inconsistencies in the Regulating Act and also to clarify outline the powers of the East India Company and the British government, Pitt's India Act was implemented. Which act licensed the East India Company to stay for another 20 years in India? Charter Act of 1813. According to which act the churches were allowed to enter India officially? Charter Act of 1813. According to which act the Governor General of Bengal was named as the Governor General of India? Charter Act of 1833. According to which act separate electoral college was created? Indian Councils Act of 1909. Why was Government of India Act of 1919 implemented? To provide more representations to Indians in the matter of administration. What was the other name of Government of India Act of 1919? Montagu-Chelmsford Reforms Act. Which act formulated bicameral legislative body? Government of India Act of 1919. According to which act hierarchy was allowed at regional governments? Government of India Act of 1919. According to which act High Commissioner was appointed for India? Government of India Act of 1919. According to which act provisional budget was separated from central budget? Government of India Act of 1919. According to which act separate electoral college was extended for Muslims, Sikhs, Anglo-Indians and Europeans? Government of India Act of 1919. Which act acted as the base for the formation of Indian Constitution? Government of India Act of 1935. According to which act Reserve Bank of India was established? Government of India Act of 1935. According to which act hierarchy was established at the center? Government of India Act of 1935. According to which act hierarchy was cancelled at the regional level and autonomy was granted? Government of India Act of 1935. According to which act the Federal Court was established? Answer is Government of India Act of 1935.